of our draft judgments, we had no discussion on the subject due to paucity of time, and therefore I have to express my different views, but unfortunately, सोडून दी फुडल्या वाचिना न्ही हांव फक्त इतलेंच सांगता डिसेंटींग जजमेंटान आनीकूय कितें आसा ते सगळें हांव वाचिना, पण तातूंत भितर सगळ्यांत म्हत्वाचो मुद्दो जो आसा पळय
अवेलेबल ऑन द नेट स्पीकर सर सगळे लोक वाचतात
तुवें आतां सांगलें तें अवेलेबल ऑन नेट आहा न्ही स्पीकर सर आमी हावजान डिस्कस करता आनी ताणें रेज केलो म्हणून ताका सांगता की डिसेंटींग जज हॅज सेड दॅट वी हॅड नो टायम टू डिस्कस द मॅटर बिफोर द जजमेंट वॉज गिवन. I don't know what will be of this country if judges don't discuss with each other the final judgment. हांव फक्त हे तुका कित्याक सांगता ताणेंच कितें म्हणलां तेंच हांव वाचून दाखयता डिसेंटींग जजानूच ते मागीर तेन्ना तो प्रश्न येतलो ना तो उत्तर दिवया त्यामुळे ताजेर हांव वचना. समटायम इट इज इगोसेंट्रीक एक्सरसाइज ऑफ नॉलेज समटायम इट इज इगोसेंट्रीक एक्सरसाइज ऑफ इंटेलिजन्स. शब्द सगळे वापरपाक येता. इफ ही कॅन डिफर विथ द चीफ जज आय कॅन डिफर विथ हिम. आय डोंट हॅव टू एग्री विथ हिम. आय डोंट एग्री विथ वॉट इज कॉमेंट्स. दे आर इगोसेंट्रीक एक्सरसाइज ऑफ इंटेलिजन्स. आय डोंट एग्री विथ देम. I stand by my view. If the court thought we had done something illegal, they should have gone for contempt. They have dismissed the contempt. They dialogue कितें मारले ताजेर हांव वचना because that dialogue is very vague and directed without specifics. सोडून दी हांव तातूंत वचना कित्याक म्हाका कोर्टाचे चड हांगा डिस्कस करपाचें ना. तुवें काडलो विशय म्हणून तुका सांगलें की एवरी पिलर ऑफ द डेमोक्रेसी इज right in its own texture. That's why I showed you that the same judge has differed with the other two judges. Has differed with other two judges. That means he did not agree with the viewpoint of the other two judges.
Because
same thing applies to the government. Government does not agree, but we agree that the Supreme Court, apex court, is a final court for any decision in the matter. So we have complied with their decision.
Because he is answering.
So don't put up the comments of Supreme Court in legislature, because as a chief minister, the decision was mine, and I differ with Supreme Court judgment. But I will follow it, because that is the judiciary which has to give the decision. I agreed with the decision and did it, but I don't agree with the logic of it. That is different. Every person has a right to decide differently. Governments have right to decide differently. If this issue is discussed, I will show you everything. I have come with the full details. Speaker sir, that was not the issue. तो आता पळय जो गजाल सांगतालो ताका पयली विशय कळून ना. आमी जे पयशे घेतले पळय ते डंप पॉलिसीचेर पयशे घेवन ना. आमी पयशे घेतल्या ते कन्वर्शनाचेर घेतल्या. And land is a matter under Article List 2, which is state list. Therefore, land हाजेर जर आमी कितें निर्णय घेतले जाल्यार ते आमच्या परव्यू भितर आहा. Land Revenue Code, which is governed by Deputy Chief Minister, has been amended to give that powers to the government. What we have done is taken fees for conversion. काही वर्तमानपत्रांक सुद्धा सांगून हे डिफरन्स कळना. The difference is that is not dump handling permission. It is conversion of the land. There is a difference. Every land in the state is considered as an agricultural land until it is converted by payment of a particular fees. Now these dumps which are lying on either orchard land or agricultural land or any other land, they have not been converted for industrial purpose or mines purpose. म्हाका दिसता दोग मनीस तुका माजी चीफ मिनिस्टर तुका सारकें एक्सप्लेन करूंक शकतले. इफ यू हॅव अ पेशन्स टू गो टू मिस्टर प्रताप सिंग राणे ओपोजिशन लिडर, ऑनरेबल ओपोजिशन लिडर, किंवा दिगंबर कामत, जाल्यार हे तुका सारकें हांव कितें सांगता तें म्हज्या पेक्षा बरें सांगतलें. वॉट वी हॅव डन इज कन्वर्शन ऑफ लँड फॉर यूज ऑफ डंपिंग हॅज बीन परमिटेड, which is within the state jurisdiction. As far as dumping policy is concerned, it will be governed as per the law of the land. Be assured that we will follow it as per the legal provisions. If suppose tomorrow courts don't agree with our decision, it is for courts to take view, because there are many times High Court judgments also are overturned by Supreme Court judgment. In fact, Supreme Court judgment is also overturned by Supreme Court judgment. In 142 corrected, and in the matter of CIC, Chief Information Commissioner, and RTI, they reversed their own decision, earlier decision of appointment of Supreme Court judge as a Chief Information Commissioner. They overturned it. So, the law is a very dynamic and the court judgments over a period of time has tend to be pragmatic with the requirement. So let us not discuss court decisions here, because it is the prerogative of that pillar of the democracy which is independent and authorized to give judgments. But government also has a right of its own opinion.
Yeah, exactly.
If court doesn't agree, there is no problem. We will follow the court matter. But government has its own right.
श्री विजय सरदेसाई,
स्पीकर सर 1 मिनिट.
मी खूप वेळ ताजेर चर्चा केलेली. विजय प्लीज.
स्पीकर सर, सीएमान आतां डिसेंटींग व्ह्यूआक रिस्पेक्ट जो लोकशायेन सांगलो ताजें आयकून बरें दिसलें. आतां डंप पॉलिसीचेर 25 मिलियन टन्स डंपांतल्यान काडटले आनी 20 मिलियन टन्स ग्रावंडांतल्यान काडटले अशें म्हणून ते पॉलिसीन आसा. आतां हाव विल यू डिफरन्शिएट बिटवीन द डंप एंड द मायन? ओर तोच तो ताजो कशें तूं डिफरन्शिएट करतलो? यू युअर सेल्फ हॅव जस्ट सेड that you do not have an authoritative information as which are the dumps, who are the companies owning it, where are the locations. All this is not complete. Ata mojo question also, is government contemplating on an independent regulator which is now being set up in other states? अशें जाला की सरकाराचें हेच मायनिंग डिपार्टमेंट हे करप्शनान इन्वॉल्ड आहा म्हणून सीएमच म्हणटा हांकाच FIRांचेर रजिस्टर केल्ले आहा. तेच मायनिंग डिपार्टमेंट आतां डंप पॉलिसी करतना गोंयाक आनी गोंयच्या एनवायरमेंटाक न्याय दिवंक शकतले काय इंडिपेंडंट रेग्युलेटर सरकार विचार करता हाचेर?
म्हाका दिसता मायनिंग पॉलिसी सारकी वाचीत जाल्यार ह्या प्रश्नाची उत्तरां मेळटा. पयली गजाल फर्स्ट अबाउट डंप कॅपिंग. कॅपिंग आमी जें केलां 20 आनी 25, दॅट इज ओवरऑल कॅपिंग. इट इज सब्जेक्ट टू कॅरिंग कॅपेसिटी ऑफ इंडिविज्युअल एरिया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल रिवण भागान 2011 जे चल्लेले हांवें पळयलां. म्हाका एका जाणट्यान सांगलें आपल्याक पयशे दयानंद सामाजीक सुरक्षा योजनान आयला काय ना तेंच कळना. हांवें म्हणलें कित्याक रे? तो म्हणलो रस्तोच क्रॉस करपाक येना रिवणा. बँक त्या सायडीक आसा, आपूण ह्या सायडीक रावता. आपल्याक भंय दिसता ट्रक आपल्याक उडयत म्हणून, आनी सुटयेच्या दिसा ट्रक नासता, आयतारा त्या दिसा बँक बंद आसता. त्यामुळे आपल्याक 4 म्हयने जाला आपूण थंय पावना बँकेन. हें म्हाका सांगलां एक्चुअली. अशी परिस्थिती आशिल्ली. नाव यू मस्ट हॅव विड्रॉन एवरीथींग. बट बेजिकली नाव रिवण फॉर एग्जाम्पल दॅट बेल्ट हॅज इट्स ओन कॅपेसिटी. इट वॉज बींग एक्सिडेड 5 times or 6 times. म्हणजे धुमशण चल्लेलें सगळें. सो इवन इफ वी से दॅट 20 + 25 actual may not add up to 45 because subsets may be much less. We were exporting around 17 million tons from Rivan belt. You may not be able to export more than 2-3 million tons if the same condition remains of the road, same width road, same roads. 2-3 million टना फुडें त्या भागांच्यान काडून ठेवचे.
ऑप्टिमम 54 आसलें, 45 हाचेर कॅपिंग कसलें?
45 हांवें आमी पॉलिसीन मॅक्सिमम म्हणला. इंडिविज्युअल कॅपिंगूय आसतले त्या भागाचे तें म्हणलां आमी कॅरिंग कॅपेसिटीचो अभ्यास करून. आनी बाकीचे एक्स्ट्रॅक्शन किंवा डंपाच्या संदर्भात त्या पॉलिसीन भितर आमी घाल्लें आसा. निरीक आमी अपॉयंट करता हू वील स्टडी द मॅटर अँड गिव अस रिपोर्ट ऑन द फूल इश्यूज वन बाय वन डिपेंडिंग ऑन द मायनिंग बेल्ट एंड मायनिंग.
रेग्युलेटर म्हणटा तो
निरी अपॉयंट केला न्ही. आय हॅव रिटर्न ऑलरेडी टू निरी.
स्पीकर सर, आतां जेन्ना हे डम्प्स आहा फ्रॉम 1950 ऑनवर्ड्स, एकूच सीएमान क्लॅरिफाय करचें. आतां डंप म्हणटा ते आउटसायड मायनिंग एरिया. आतां तुमी ताचें कन्वर्जन केलां. आर दे बींग शोन इन द बुक ऑफ अकाउंट्स एज अ अनसोल्ड स्टॉक ऑफ द कंपनीज?
स्पीकर सर, सांगता सेक्शन 3 ऑफ मायनिंग एक्ट सेज दॅट मिनरल इज वॉट यू वीन फॉर कमर्शियल यूज or commercial profits. In 2000, when this material was weaned from the earth, they were not having commercial value. So they were mud, rejects. म्हणून ते डर्म केल्ले. The IBM, which is a regulatory on defining what is a mineral has lowered its percentage of iron ore because the international market and Indian market also started accepting lower grades from some 57-58% iron ore to now I think 49 or 50%. So all which is above has become now mine. They were not mine when they were dumped there.
ते तांचे स्टॉक इन ट्रेड असचे पडले ना
डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत.
No, it was not stock in trade.
okay.
It was
आता टोटल नाही ताचे ते
it was garbage at that time. The mining act at that time when they were removed. When they were removed, but suppose. Speaker sir, they were garbage at the time of removal. They have acquired commercial value today because आता कशें प्लास्टीक आमी उडयतात.
इट्स अ डम्प.
प्लास्टीक भायर उडयता, प्लास्टिकाक वालोर ना. ही इज ट्रायिंग टू गेट अ diesel generation plant from plastic. The moment diesel generation plant comes, the plastic will start extracting value. But if you give it in large quantities, एक प्लास्टिक वाल्या बॅग वाल्याक पैसे मेळचे ना. So it all depends on actual commercial exploitation and the ground reality at particular time. Today they have become commercial. Second rule तुका very clear सांगता, if it is handled, dump and exported whenever it permissions and everything are proper in order, they will have to pay royalty at the time of export. So they don't escape royalty because the rule says that mine which is exported and when they remove it for export, they have to pay the royalty. Section 8.4 Ajay Vaz Dakheta. The state government has communicated with NIRI to determine and recommend optimal level of fresh mining that can be undertaken in Goa. Pending this study, which is requested to be completed within 3 months, no fresh proposal for environment clearance and no fresh production of ore from existing mines shall take place except movement of already extracted and stocked ore at the mine head or jetty. यातून डंपूय भितर येता. Because dump तुम्ही जे म्हणता पळय, एक गजाल खूब जाणांक खबर ना. गोंयचे dump are part of mining plan. Goa dumps are part of mining plan approved by IBM. They may be outside. पयर हो विषय जालो Supreme Court.
कन्वर्जन कित्याक केलें तुमी?
Let Supreme Court give decision on it. Why discuss when Supreme Court हो विषय आयलो already? And it has been pointed out that Goa situation is different from Karnataka. Karnataka, all dumps were created in forest area, dumped. Anga tashe na. And plus they are part of the mining area. Whatever it is, let Supreme Court give the decision. Why we should argue on that?
प्रमोद सावंत.
I don't get paid some 7.5 lakhs per day to argue for mines here.
प्रमोद सावंत.
Supreme Court they get paid between 7.5 to 15 lakhs per day.
Garbage. Because sir,
not
mining.
We pay AG only 75,000. We pay AG only 75,000, but other advocates take 7.5 lakhs to 15 lakhs per day.
What if the mining fellow sponsor the other part and doesn't come on record?
Speaker
sir.
AG has already started arguing and he will be concluding the argument.
Speaker sir, mining ban जावन जवळपास एक 17 ते 18 महिने झाले. मायनिंग गोंयांत बॅन जाला आणि गेल्या 18 महिन्याच्या कार्यकाळात मायनिंग भागात दिवचले तालुक्यात सत्तरी, सांगे, धार, बांदोडा ह्या तालुक्यात खंयचोच पर्यावरणवादी येवंक ना, मायन ओनर येवंक ना किंवा इल्लीगल ज्यांच्यांनी मायनिंग केले तेय कोण येवंक ना. आमी सगळे जाण म्हणजे ऑपोजिशन्स आणि गव्हर्मेंट पक्षात सत्ताधारी पक्षातले सगळे जाण एका फोरमाचेर आयले त्यांच्या पब्लीक सभेत आणि त्यांच्यांनी सगळे ऑल आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू स्टार्ट द लिगल मायनिंग. म्हाका गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन इतकेच विचारपाक जाय की जर सगळे जाण तयार आसात म्हणजे काँग्रेस पक्षातले तयार आसात, सत्ताधारी पक्षातले तयार आसात जाल्यार वॉट स्टेप्स हॅज द स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट टेकन. कारण आमी म्हणटा मॅटर सुप्रीम कोर्टान आसा. ज्यो स्टेप्स आत्ता पर्यंत स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटान कितें घेतलेल्यो आसा, सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटान कितें घेतलेलें आसा आनी सुप्रीम कोर्टान हे खंयच्या पद्दतीत सुट्टले. कारण मायनिंग भागांतले लोक वाट पळयता मायनिंग केन्ना सुरू जातलें. आमी प्रत्येक फावटी हांगासर मायनिंग पॉलिसी 25 बिलियन 20 बिलियन हेजी डिस्कशन्स करण्यात काय हरकत ना. गव्हर्मेंटान हेजे क्लियर कट उत्तर.
स्पीकर सर, स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटान खूब गजाली केल्ल्यो आहा. मायनिंग पॉलिसी हे केली, इरेग्युलर जे पळय कन्वर्शन करनासतना डंप केल्ले ते रेग्युलर करपाची पॉलिसी क्लियर केली. लिजी क्लियर करपाक 27 लिजी इन प्रिंसिपल क्लियर केल्यो, 8 फायनल ऑर्डर काडली. ज्या जाग्यार पळय क्रिमिनल एक्शन घेवपाचें आसता SIT फॉर्म केली.